guys, today I want to show you 3 of my favorite hip flexor strengthening exercises. So the first one we're going to do, we're going to be lying down. You'll have a band. You're going to put that around your feet. And we'll go ahead and lie back here. You can have a pillow or something. But from here, what you're going to do is bring that knee in. Just like that. And again, you can use different band strengths. So this one really isn't too heavy. You can always start light and go heavier. That's one of my favorite ones to do. Another one, you can grab any little household item, whatever it is. You can grab a water bottle, a little candle. But what we're gonna do here is we're going to keep our legs straight and we're going up and over. So let me see if I can move back just a little bit. There you go. So you guys can see that better. So here, just something to go up and over, up and over for your hip flexors. And if you really wanted to, you can have one on each side as well too. So let's say we have that candle on that side and let's say we have this kettlebell here. Just something for reference. You don't need to, but it's just something so you can go up and over 1, up and over 2. Just like so. So that's another one of my favorites. And then lastly, what we're going to do, this is going to be a little more work setting up. But what you want is to be up, elevated, maybe on the edge of a bed or something, maybe like a higher bench, because what you're going to want to do is come down and not touch the ground. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to attach this band to the kettlebell. I would say you could also put the kettlebell like this as well, whatever you feel more comfortable. But I like doing this, like so. Actually, I'm gonna do a heavier band so then there's not much stretch in that. I have this here. There you go. So then I can just put my ankle through in here. But again, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to lie back on the edge here. I am going to bring the leg that's not working. I'm going to hold that. And then the other one, you're going to get a nice stretch here. So this is great. Great to stretch that hip flexor. But then you're also going to be working it by coming up as well too. And back down. Stretching it and coming up. And then you can go ahead and do anywhere between 5 to 10 each side. But those are my 3 top favorite hip flexor strengthening exercises. If you guys have any questions about them, please feel free, leave them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.